Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. More and more Galaxy Note 9 leaks are coming in quick sessions. It is likely to be happening that the Note 9 may release earlier than usual, according to the reports. Last year, due to the late arrival of iPhone X, Note 8 did the job for Samsung, and Samsung is very much desperate to repeat the same thing again this year by launching Note 9 way ahead of iPhone's 2018. The latest leak from Unveil, a trusted leakster, unveils the model number as well as the code name Crown for Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Code name Crown might mean something else entirely. It could be a hint for something entirely different from Samsung. And last week it was confirmed that Note 9 is making its way with 6.4-inch display and a 4000 mAh battery capacity, which is the largest battery on any Note device still now. The phone will sport Samsung Adaptive fast charging. It will come with next-gen Bixby AI, which would make it more smarter as compared to its predecessor. On hardware spec sheet, the phone is powered by Snapdragon 845 paired with 6 gigs of RAM. Featuring 8 gigs of RAM would be overkilling, and it would be necessary as 6 gigs of RAM in Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is handling everything thrown at it perfectly. It is a possibility that Note 9 may feature the Exynos 9820, which is in development. For now, that is all we know about the Note 9, but we'll make sure that you are the first one to watch features which are leaking on Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in the future. For that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Like the video and share it with your tech crazy friends. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.